Hey everyone, and welcome. Are you ready to go on an awesome adventure into Roblox coding? Today, we're going to set up this super cool tool called JemS right from the very beginning. So, let's get building.
Of course you are. Think of this as like your coding origin story. This is the moment you unlock the power to build anything you can imagine. So, let's get you all set up for success.
Okay, so first things first, every great builder needs a workshop, right? For us, that means a Roblox account and Roblox Studio. This is going to be the foundation for all the amazing stuff you're about to create.
So you're going to want to head over to roblox.com and just sign up. Fill in your details and make sure you pick a super fun username you'll love. Oh, and quick heads up, if you're under 13, you might need your parents' permission, so it's always a good idea to ask them first.
All right, once you're all signed in, you'll see a Create button. Go ahead and click that. This is going to let you download Roblox Studio, and this is your digital workshop. It's where all the coding magic is going to happen. Don't worry, the download is super quick, just a few minutes.
And done. Just like that, you did it. Your workshop is officially open for business. Seriously, that's a huge first step, so give yourself a pat on the back. Awesome, awesome work.
Okay, workshop, check. Now, every amazing project needs its own special place to live, right? So, let's create a little home just for our code.
So, go ahead and open up Roblox Studio and choose the base plate template. It's basically a clean, empty canvas for you. Now here's a pro tip. Save it right away. It's kind of like building the house for your code before you move all the cool furniture in. Trust me, it's a super important habit to get into.
Okay, get ready, because this is where the real fun begins. We are about to find and install our magic tool, the JemS plugin. This is literally what's going to unlock all of your coding superpowers.
So up in the Home tab, you'll see something called Toolbox. Go ahead and click on that. A little window will pop up. In that search bar, just type JEMS and press Enter. You might see a couple of options, so just make sure you click Install on the latest version. That way, you get all the new shiny features.
Okay, listen up, because this next part is simple, but super important. A little window is going to pop up asking for permission. You have got to click Allow. This gives our magic tool the key to work inside your workshop. Seriously, don't miss this step.
And boom! Just like that, the magic tool is all yours. It's sitting right there in your toolbox, just waiting for you. You are doing such a fantastic job. All right, so we've got the tool, now it's time to power it up. This next part is all about launching JemS for the very first time and getting it ready for action.
So here's a little trick to make sure everything loads just right. Just close your map file and then open it right back up. Now look at the top. You should see a brand new tab called Plugins. Click on that, find the JemS button, and a new window will pop open. And here's what I like to do. Drag that window over to the side until it snaps into place. It just keeps everything so neat and tidy. Okay, inside that new JemS window, you'll see a login button. Let's click it. Now this is where you need your special username and password from the robogram.net website.
Whoa, hold on a sec. I know, this part can be a little confusing, so let's break it down. You basically have two different logins now. Your Roblox login, that's for the game and for Studio. But your robogram.net login, that's only for the JemS plugin and the robogram.net website. Just remember, they're two separate things, so you don't get them mixed up.
We are so close, you guys. The very last step before we can start coding is just to make sure our magic tool is fully charged up. All we need to do is a quick little license check.
For this part, just pop open your web browser and go to the robogram.net website. Log in there, find the member area, and click on My Page. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see your licenses. All we're looking for is that one magic word, active.
So what does active even mean? It's simple. It just means your tool is ready to go with all its amazing features unlocked. If for some reason it says something else or that it's expired, please don't worry. Just contact the administrator and they'll get you all sorted out in no time.
You know how every wizard has a spell book? Well, every awesome coder needs a guidebook. So let's go find your JemS ebook. It's going to be your secret map for all your coding adventures.
And this part is super easy. Just go back to that My Page section on the robogram.net site, scroll down until you see My Web Textbook. Click that little button, and poof, your digital guide will open right up. You are officially ready to start learning. And that is it. You did it. From creating your account to installing your magic tool and opening your spellbook, you are 100% set up and ready to code.
Congratulations! That's amazing.
And now, the real adventure begins. You have the power of Gemollies right at your fingertips, and the only limit is your imagination. So I have just one question for you. What amazing world are you going to build first? Go on, create something wonderful!